Siakaswani tanagar zero hokela suro katanu program mi mulim biyi suro no kapija patanu puimi tapatodo suro puimi kalu koinesi hagyang kha Bahrain hoka Third Asian Youth Games henkasala ka matsano hoka athletes aminilami ka Indian gandami represent mutapaka selection malamako hopa Chief Minister Pema Khandula Deputy Chief Minister Chonamen mo anye aminilami mo anye kadaipa congratulate malamate Aminila agi ho lanyela ni kha hela anye Indian athletes atare heka Asian Youth Games ho participate mo bola makindo Hiraka Asian Games me sakapuloka 22 hokla 31 lai henkasala makindo hela lokodo Sinyangka namkam Hornbill Track Expedition Program me sakapuloka 20 hokla 23 lai doni sango Culture Preservation atala Komsing lemba hoka Village Committee atahe mahila magate hela lokodo Heka program mi hidai hoka miu atahe moloka gandaka kapyonami agodai tourist miu atami chimpaya pa ho aini miodumyolo ho moloka namkam gandahe aya hata chalia pa ho phamaglamate Heka komsing lemba hoka more ho sisipesu putala puluta khichika achwamyo dala tare modo halalokodo 1962 anya hoka India la China ka gyambo pasala ka mui hoka sugurdogurbi namiu atami hempala tribute bilila tawang bumla pas hoka War Memorial don ho buyo motorcycle rally event ako maglamate Heka bike rally ho nikha hela hinge sama riders ata agi ho Indian Army personnel ITBP officers la district police hoka officials atamala participate mo bolamate Tawang kadisi namgil angmo mobuyo ka bike rally event mi mokobila mate disi ka bike rally event mi ka mokobila mi aloho tawang ka MLA namge sering mo palam yoda Subedar Joginder Singh mi hempala asantala mate helalokodo 8 Northeast Butterfly Meet Kidai Paka Kamlang Tiger Reserve Hoka Buyoka Second Wakro Butterfly Ka Inaugural Ceremony Magla Manuho Deputy Chief Minister Chonamen Momala Abola Mate Heka ceremony ho Deputy Chief Minister Chonamen Mo Kamlang Valley Nature Club Domain Expert Atala Butterflies of Northeastern India Group Hoka Members Atami Saka Butterfly Meet Event Mika Magla Mako Hopa Asantala Mate Herabuyo aloho Deputy Chief Minister Chonamen mota social media post ho namdapa butterfly meet la zero butterfly meet chika event mi asandana la hosolola ika ngunu state hoka 582 popper species kapala mukune pugomi kekola teremate Buyo Chief Minister Pema Khandu mo Japan hoka House of Representatives hoka members ata Japan India Parliamentary Friendship League ka chairman Yasutoshi Nishimura la Asian Group Co-Limited ka CEO Toshiaki Nishikawa mi kapala mate Heka meeting homolu aine myodumyolo hoka India la Japan ganda ka ahapuepa heinsla ka anyiru gandami ka hatachagsane pugoragomi tahilomosala hosisika Indian state ata hoka Japanese agumika promote melamane pugomi takatara sala taremate halalokola ludo Ngun State ka Chief Secretary Manish Kumar Gupta, Chief Conservator of Forest ka Principal P. Subramaniam la, Arunachal Pradesh Ecotourism Promotion Society ka Member Secretary Dr. Damodar Eti, Molubuyo Ecotourism Models Initiative Kidaipa, Karnataka Bhadra Tiger Reserve Hoka Jungle Lodge and Resort Donami kakahala ate. Aine myodumyolo hongun state hoka Subansri Hydro Project la Khirbe Hydro Project don ata hotare saka ecotourism models mi mulula mudokoda hala Chief Secretary Manish Kumar Gupta mota social media post ho kela mat hala lokola ludo Suro ka tanupulu ko sana hamkane